Hi guys, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this flaky gradient. If you love nail art, be sure to subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with the base coat. I'm using Ready for Takeoff, which is a peel-off base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. Polishes that I'm going to be using today are from Colors by Llarowe. The purple is Living on Borrowed Time, and the turquoise Flakie is Jackie. Now that I have a couple coats of my base color, I'm going to go ahead and start adding in the gradient with the flakies, and I'm just going to use the brush right out of the bottle. I'm going to try and, wipe off some of it, not have too many flakies on the brush at a time, and then just gently start kind of stroking them on from the cuticle, and I'll probably go across and let it dry and then apply some more, like down toward the cuticle, and do that across all my nails. For the last coat of flakies, I decided I did want to use a small brush, so I'm going to get my little lid out here and get out some of the flakies just to really help make it denser toward the cuticle and a little sparser at the tip. Having a smaller brush will allow me to have a little bit more control over where things are being placed. Once you're pleased with the gradient, you can finish with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I'm pretty pleased with how this turned out for what was actually a pretty quick and unplanned design. You can see the flakies really change depending on the angle that you're looking. Sometimes you can see a lot of them, sometimes you can kind of just catch a couple, and it's not easy to tell under the ring light, but the purple is also quite holographic on its own, so I'll try to be sure to include some sunlight pics at the end so you can see the rainbows in there. I'd love to hear what you guys think down in the comments. If you enjoyed, I hope you'll leave a like, and of course, as always, thanks for watching.